everyone, welcome to Lahari Codes. Today we start our programming journey with Java. Introduction and basics. We will understand not just definitions but real meaning with examples so you can easily understand. Introduction to Java. Why do we need a programming language? A programming language is used to build applications and it means it is used to communicate with a computer. But computers cannot understand human languages directly. They understand machine language which is in the form of zeros and ones. So we use programming language to give step-by-step instructions to the computer. Today we are learning Java. So real life example I will give. Imagine you cooking food. If someone says make food, you cannot understand directly. You need proper steps like heat oil, add ingredients and cook properly. In the same way, a computer also needs step-by-step instruction. This is a set of instructions is called a program. So what is program? Now a program is a set of instructions written using a programming language. So for example, a calculator app performs calculations. A YouTube app plays videos. So where do we use programming? Programming languages are used to build applications like mobile applications, desktop applications and web applications. So an application means is a collection of programs. So next we will go to what is Java. So here we begin. What is Java? Java is a high-level programming language used to build applications. It is one of the most popular, widely used programming language in the world. So coming to features of Java. Java is simple, not because it is small, because it is well organized. It has a clear syntax, structured code, class-based, no complex pointer usage like C, C++. So Java is easy learning for beginners. Example, in Java we write system.out.println allow. It clearly tells print allow on screen. So code is readable like English instructions. Next, high-level language. Java is high-level language. Programmer write codes in human readable form. Computer converts into machine language internally. So here I will give example. High-level language means English. Low-level language means binary zeros and ones. So machine understands low-level language and people understand high-level language means programmers. You don't need to understand hardware details. Coming to platform independent, Java follows the principle. What is that principle? Write once, run anyway. This is one of the strongest feature of Java. I will give a real life example. You can send a WhatsApp message. It can be opened on any phone. Same way Java program runs on Windows, Mac and Linux. So this is possible because uses the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Because Java does not run directly on OS, it runs on JVS, Java Virtual Machine, which is available for all platforms. Fourth one is robust. Robust means strong and reliable. Java is robust, which means it is strong and stable. So system does not crash easily. I will give a real life example. A bridge is designed to carry heavy vehicles safely. Even if pressure increases, it does not break. So what it provides? It provides proper exception handling, no direct memory access, safe execution of program. Because of this, Java programs are reliable and less likely to crash. So programs are stable and reliable. Java is a secure programming language. It is secure because it does not allow direct pointer access and it has secure memory management system and it verifies before execution using bytecode verification. So this makes Java from many security risks. So JVM verifies code before execution. I will give example in C language, direct access to memory like OpenOS. Like in Java, controlled access with security system. So coming to multithread. Java supports multithreading. This means what? A program can perform multiple tasks at the same time. So for example, downloading a file while browsing and playing music while using an application and handling multiple users at the same time. So in your phone, music playing and download running and browsing YouTube all happen together. So many tasks can be performed at the same time. This is known as multithread. Java can create multithreads to handle multitask simultaneously. Now, object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language because it is based on class and object. Main OOPS concepts include encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These concepts helps in writing reusable and organized code. So in real life example, car is an object. So here properties, color, brand, speed, and action, start, stop, move. So this is an example for object oriented programming language. So in Java, class is blueprint and object is real thing created from class. Now one question, is Java is 100% object oriented? No, because Java uses primitive data types like int, char, float. They are not objects. So Java is not fully object oriented. So in further classes we will know about this. And final conclusion, Java is simple, secure, robust, platform independent, object oriented and multi-thread. That is why Java is one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world. It is used for real world systems like banking apps, e-commerce, mobile apps. So in this video we learned the futures of Java, and in next video we will understand JDK, JRE and JVM in Java, which is one of the most important Java interview questions. And if you learn something today, please like, share and subscribe Lahari Codes for next video.